step into the Chevrolet 2019 Equinox LT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include engine 1.5L turbo dual HC 4-cylinder CDV VT, 170 horsepower, 127.0 kilowatts at 5,600 RPMs, 203 pounds-ft of torque, 275.0 Nm, at 2,000 to 4,000 RPMs. STD, LT preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, tires P225/65 R17 all-season black wall. STD, audio system Chevrolet infotainment 3 system 7 inches diagonal color touchscreen AM/FM stereo. Additional features for compatible phones include Bluetooth audio streaming for 2 active devices, voice command pass-through to phone, Apple CarPlay and Android